How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can use the end trigger in Geometry Dash. It's going to be extremely simple. Basically, let me just create a new level right here just to show you how simple it is. Now, the end trigger will only work on certain conditions. So if you place an end trigger randomly, unfortunately, it's not going to work. So let's go ahead and place it this way. And just for the level to not end, I'm going to place some blocks on this spot. So if we click on the play level, it won't do something. And if you click on edit object, basically something like touch trigger, no effects, spawn ID, target POS, it doesn't really matter. But instead, what you need to do is to go ahead and transform your level from classic to platformer. So in this way, it will basically go ahead and end your level. But the question is, why still isn't something happening? That's because we are inside the level creation mode, so the level cannot physically finish. So what you want to do is to save and play. And if we test the level out and we go ahead and touch the end trigger, it will actually go ahead and end the level right here. So that's how simple it is. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.